Well-designed wardrobes helps make small bedrooms look clutter-free. And that is why when you're designing your wardrobe, make sure it offers multiple cabinets and drawers so that everything can be stored inside and your room looks clutter-free, especially if it's a small bedroom.
Nowadays, you can have wardrobes in different styles and varieties which can fit your personality and your bedroom space.
Let me show you some wardrobe designs that will help you double up your wardrobe storage.
Add a his and her wardrobe section. Now, in most wardrobes, especially the master bedrooms, there is always enough space for multiple different sections which can be designated for you and your partner. So divide your large wardrobe into 2 parts and equally decide what goes best in each of these spaces to fit your requirements. Now here, we've divided this wardrobe into 3 sections, with this side being for the lady of the house and the other side being for the man of the house, and the center is a common area. So large compartments like these are perfect for gowns or any large dresses to be hung straight away. There are also multiple shelves to keep other organized items so that there is no dearth of space. Now this portion, we've given lots of drawers, and this is a great option when you're designing wardrobes for older couples. When you have drawers below your waist level, this is the easiest way to reach down without bending or at the end of the shelf. This compartment being for the man of the house, we've added an accessory drawer. This is great to display all your watches, ties, wallets, etc. There are also some shelf units and drawer units for you to keep your trousers, shirts, etc. Now, corners are one of the most neglected space in every home. Now, not every bedroom would have a corner wardrobe, but if yours does, it could be quite tricky, and you need to make sure that you are using the space to its fullest. Now, there are a range of accessories available for a corner wardrobe, but the most simplest and the basic way to do this is to go for either an L or an I corner. Now, here's an L corner wardrobe. Now, in wardrobes like these, it is plain and simple with shelves and hanger rods, but this is the best way to use the maximum space without having any dead corners where you can reach every part of this wardrobe. Now, a slight variation to this L corner would be an I corner, which we have right here. Now, if you have some sort of a space crunch, then you would have to go for this one, where there's a slight dead end at the end where you can't reach out to all your accessories and your clothes. But this is also a great way to make sure that your L corner is used to its fullest. Adding necessary compartments. Now, if the wardrobe is for a rental property or a guest bedroom, you can stick to plain and simple shelves. But if the wardrobe is for your own self, then there are a range of accessories for you to choose from. Now, the idea is to go for a range of compartments that are different from the regular standards. It could be a pull-out trouser rack, or a pivoting hanger rod, or a pull-out iron board, or even an accessory pull-out rack. All of these and more options are available for accessories for every wardrobe. Dresser units are a part of the wardrobe. Now, if you have a space crunch, you can always go for one of the shutters to be a mirror. But if you have space, you can go for a full-fledged dresser unit. Now, you can also ask your designer to suggest some space-saving options like the ones that we have here. Well, this here is a very sleek dresser unit which can be tucked away in the smallest of the spaces. It comes with a lot of storage and an entire floor-to-length mirror.
That's it for today. Do let us know if you decided to give your small bedroom a design makeover. You can also book a free design consultation by clicking on the link here. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to never miss an update from Design Cafe. I'm Rukmini Saha signing off. I'll see you again. Bye.